Hello, artists. I'm Sergio, the illustrator of the Action Bible. If you're not familiar with the Action Bible, it is the most amazing collection of God's stories come to life. Today is very exciting because I'm going to teach you how to draw people directly from the Action Bible. I'm going to show you my drawing process step by step so you can create your own illustrations. Today, we're going to learn how to draw Jesus. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is grab yourself a piece of paper and a pencil. The pencil does not need to be extremely pointy, but you should leave a little bit of roundness to the pencil so it's easier for you to make your scribble and your basic shape. We're going to draw Jesus' head. So within this image area, we're going to draw an oval shape, almost like an egg upside down. Are you ready? Once you draw this oval shape in the paper, try to eyeball it a half point between top to bottom. So draw a line right in the middle of that oval shape. That line will help us to place where the eyes will be. Let's go ahead and make a center line, a vertical line right in the middle to help us determine where the nose would be. Right in here, we are going to divide this area between this and this right in a half and make a marking of the pupil right there. The pupil, all right, of the eye. And then we have the eye basic shape around it. And notice that the space between the two eyes is around the same measurement of the length of one eye. So we have one eye measurement space between the two eyes, okay? Now, take a look at this half. Divide this half in half and draw another line here. This other line would be the bottom of the nose. Now, the nose is like a triangle shape this way. We are just doing the basic structure of the face, okay? Now, this measurement here, from the bottom of the nose to the bottom of the chin, you divide that in half, and that would be where the mouth would be, okay? Now, just a little bit above the eye, we'll have the eyebrow. The eyebrow right over the eyes over here. You see it? This line of the eyebrow, this line here of the eyebrow, when you draw a line across, that's where the ears will start, the top of the ears, and they will go all the way down to the bottom of the nose. Yeah, go ahead, check. Put your finger right over your eyebrow and run across, and you'll see that you will meet the top of your ear there. And that's the ear. All right, this is a basic shape that can be used to draw anybody with just a little deviation of different shapes on the chin, different shapes on the eye, different shapes on the head. Now, the top part here, if you divide that in half, that's where you have your hairline. That's where your hairline is. And this is a measurement of what we call an in-between face. So after you have this basic structure of the head, you can go ahead and remember, while I'm drawing the basic shape, I'm using a pencil that's not too pointy. There's a little roundness to it, so I'm easy to draw across. And I should draw lightly, not really heavy, but a little light, so I'm able to draw over with a magic marker to finish my drawing, or a darker pencil. So let's start making this basic structure into a more detailed drawing. Right here, I have the hair of Jesus, and nobody really knows exactly how Jesus combed his hair, but we know from the Action Bible that his hair could be maybe combed this way and going over a little bit over his ears, and then I'm just doing an idea of hair flow over this basic shape. Over here on the nose, we have the bridge of the nose here, and we have the nostrils over here, and we have the nose. On the mouth, where we have the basic shape, just like the basic line, we should have a top lip and then the bottom lip. See? Now we are going to add facial hair here. So Jesus, the basic shape of his mustache, and attaching to his beard down below. And the beard goes beyond the chin structure underneath, and it connects to the top of his face here and connects to the hair on top. The ear, the basic shape of the ear, you have this kind of shape. Just follow along with me. It's like a bean shape over here, and then another small shape here, and this line go around it, and then another line to contour that. So let's do that over here and follow the hair coming down this way. Now let's add some eyelids on top of Jesus' pupil. So it's usually a basic shape like this, and then you have the pupil here, and we have a shine and the shade of the eye, and then the bottom part like that, and then the eyebrow like so. And that's how our Jesus is looking like after the basic shape. We have our Jesus. So let's put a magic marker over that to see what we come up with. Okay, I'm gonna use a magic marker just to go over the basic shape of the pencil. So we just go over like this, the hair, the eyebrow, like that, the eyes, eyelid there, the bottom of the eye, then the nose, the bridge of the nose, the other eyebrow, then the mustache here, bottom lip, top lip, the beard now, the hair, the ear, more hair, and that's our Jesus there. All right? I hope you had fun drawing Jesus. And I hope you tune in next week. And we are going to draw David.